We talked about this on the 22nd. We said all silver needs was an extension. And from 61, we're already up to 75 in a few days. On the 28th, we put out a video. Said, guys, we've been waiting for this right here in AGI. This is the spot I've been waiting for USAR. We made a video on the 22nd. Said this is the spot to start with FCX because what's going on since the 22nd? Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. I bought JetBlue 4 different times. Sold the whole thing out. And where did Valero go? Right to our spot, right there. So what did I do yesterday? I bought Conoco. I bought Valero. I bought WTI futures in the back months. When you have patience and you wait, they get there. Now, if you go look at our video from the 18th, that was our spot. What did we do? Cashed it out. Sold out of Valero. Sold it out right here. So we're done. Conoco Phillips. Got the bounce. You got the pop. What do? We cashed in. We sold out of all of our USAR.